I'm showing you the easy way to make the healthy boba with new tips and tricks, and they'll stay in the refrigerator for days. This is the easiest way to make delicious strawberry boba using the cold oil spherification method of molecular gastronomy, which simply means we're using cold oil and dropping the strawberry mixture into the oil, forming little beads. Then I'm going to rinse this twice to make sure we get all of the oil off of it. To keep these cold, I'm going to add a few more ice cubes to the water and put the oil in the refrigerator so everything is around 32 degrees while I'm making the strawberry gel. Okay, all I need is 1 cup of strawberry juice. And these have no added sugar. So I'm straining the strawberries and I will use them in my morning smoothies. And 2 packages of gelatin, which is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to whisk the juice until the gelatin is dissolved, and I'm going to warm this up over medium-high heat. I'm bringing this up to a boil, then reducing it to medium, so we have a slow boil, and we're going to cook this for 2 minutes until it reduces. You just want to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. And these strawberries smell wonderful. After 2 minutes, stirring at a slow boil, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. I can test it by putting a little drip on my finger, and if I can handle it and it's not too hot, it's perfect. And here's the fun part. I just got my oil out of the refrigerator, so it's about 32 degrees, and I'm just going to bring some of this up into the syringe. Drop it from about 3 inches high. And you want to move around to different spots so that none of them stick together. If you keep the dropper at the same height and use even pressure, you'll get the same size beads. And after each dropper full, stir gently. If your mixture becomes too thick and gelled, there's a quick fix for that. Just return it to the burner, but over low, and add a little bit more of the strawberry juice. And if you've gotten it a little too thin now, all you have to do is warm it a little bit longer and it will gel up again. So it was that quick, and we have a nice consistency to work with again. So that was a little trick if it gets too thick. Likewise, you want to make sure that your oil is still cold. If not, just put that back in the freezer for a few seconds. Here's another trick if you want to keep your oil cold, is keep it in an ice cold water bath. In other words, put it in a bowl of ice water about halfway up the pitcher. Okay, I'm going to get all of those beautiful spheres separated, and I'm going to drain them twice. First, I'm pouring the oil off, and when I get down to the strawberry boba, I'm going to be very careful. Okay, I poured the oil out into a strainer. See how beautiful they are? And here's a tip. You can actually use this oil again if you're going to make another batch right now. Okay, I'm just rinsing these in the cold water, getting a little bit of the oil off. And now I'm going to rinse them a second time to get them really clean so you get that vivid strawberry flavor when you pop in your mouth. And now they're fully rinsed and ready to garnish any of the desserts that I have linked. See the special cheesecake in a minute. Or to spoon into a glass of champagne. I love these in Spumanti for any fun occasion. Click here for my cheesecake recipe using these strawberry beads. Or just click subscribe and see all the videos on my channel. And you gotta make this.